Hello, this is Foodmangga and we will cook one of our favorite Korean food, tteokbokki. It is a delicious comfort food you can easily make at home. The spicy, sweet, and chewy rice cakes are amazing. The recipes are rice cake, fish cake, 40 grams of anchovies, 1 sheet of nori, 5 tablespoons of hot pepper paste, 2 stems of green onion, 30 grams of peanuts, sesame seeds for presentation, 1 tablespoon of dried chili flakes, salt, pepper, 2 cups of water, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. First, heat pan with 2 cups of water. We will first make our broth with dried anchovies, and 1 sheet of nori. The nori is optional, we just use it to make the broth more flavorful. While we wait for our stock to boil, let us cut our green onions. After that, on a separate bowl, we will mix 5 tablespoons of hot pepper paste, sugar, and peanuts. Mix it well. When our broth is boiling, use a strainer to remove the nori and the dried anchovies. By the way, you don't need to worry if you will not be able to get all the anchovies because that will add some flavor on the dish. Now, let us put the rice cake. And then the fish cake in our broth. Aside from this, you can also add or use kikiam, fish balls, or squid balls. Add our mixture of hot pepper paste, sugar, and peanuts. Add water to our bowl to get the remaining mixture. Mix it well. Now we can add our green onions. For extra heat, add some dried chili flakes. Then salt, and lastly, pepper. Wait for 3 to 5 minutes until your sauce is thickened. Our homemade tteokbokki is done. We just need to add some sesame seeds and thin slices of green onions before serving. Try this recipe and I promise you it tastes good. Taste the food that you love, eat well. For any suggestion for the next dish that we need to cook, just comment below. Have a great day and thank you for watching.